handgun kit with a brace, just like that. It is ready to go. Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at a CAA MCK Evo. It's a kit for many different handguns. Now I have owned a lot of kits. Recover Tactical, Meta Tactical. They are great, they work, but they are gun specific. This one is not. Multiple handguns, over 100 different handguns will fit into this kit. It's all because of the beaver tail adapter. It'll secure the gun in there nice and sturdy, and it is a blast. Now, I chose a Glock 19. The reason I chose a Glock 19 is because ever since I suited up my Glock 45, the Glock 19 just sits in the safe. So now I've got a purpose for it. It's a super cool kit. It has a foregrip that's molded in. There are other accessories on here that you don't typically see. Now the brace helps me shoot incredibly fast at the range. There's no doubt a braced firearm, you could shoot way better, way quicker, more accurate. This is a foldable brace, okay? You just pull up on it and it folds. And I even shot it in its folded position. However, it is very nice to operate. Now, what I have here is a pistol optic on here, but it also has these flip-up sights. There's a rear sight. I didn't put it on. Those could co-witness with a rifle optic. But the kit itself is so simple, easy to take out the gun. I'll show you that since I already showed you how to insert it. I'm going to take these levers, pull it downward, and out comes the Glock 19. So simple, so easy to use in multiple handguns. And you may be wondering, well, which models could I fit into the MCK Evo? Glock, just about every model. Canik, CZ, FN, HK, Lone Wolf, and Polymer 80. That's kind of strange. Palmetto State Armory. Ruger, Smith & Wesson, Shadow Systems, Sig Sauer, and Taurus, and Springfield Armory. So even if it's a subcompact model, it will fit in there because they made the adapters, which is right here. This is the adapter right there. You just put a different adapter on there to fit the beaver tail. This is super easy to operate, easy to use. And when you have it all set up and ready to go, it takes that spare gun to a whole new level. The MCK Evo is available in 5 different colors. This one is flat dark earth, but check out that angled foregrip that is built right into the stock. Nice and sturdy when shooting, but it also serves as a spare mag carrier. So I have a Glock mag here. I put it in there, fits in there nice and tight. It does lock in. It has a mag release button, and it's pretty sturdy. Now this mag carrier here is separate. It's a separate purchase, 35 bucks. If you go with that, then it will, well, you'll have 2 different mag carriers as well as the one in the pistol. But they also have an advanced kit. Now that's called the MCK Evo Advanced Kit. That's where the flashlight comes in. Sits right underneath. You just snap it into place. It also has these flip-up sights that I talked about. Here is the rear sight. It has a sling, a single point sling that I have on there. The reason I'm doing this is because it's the bungee cord kind. That's nice. A cheek riser, and then thumb rests right here. I have it on the left side. I could put it on the right side. I didn't do that. And then I put my thumb right there when shooting. Complete control of the entire kit with, in this case, a Glock in there. This is the best kit I have ever experienced, but don't take my word for it. The U.S. Air Force chose the MCK Evo as, well, the best kit that were submitted. Many were submitted. This one they chose as the best one. And I think they adopted it with their paratrooper division. They have a blurb on that with their website. But it's a very nice kit. Once again, the Firearm Guy 10 gets you 10% off anything on the site. I think it's a fair deal, and I know for a fact that you will enjoy this because of all the options that you could use and the multiple handguns that the MCK Evo will handle. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.